Sean, you may not know this, but there are 18 million men in the United States that are affected by ED, that is erectile dysfunction. That's a whole lot of gentlemen who probably are not operating the way they are used to. And underneath that problem, there may be a lot of underlying health conditions. So adding a pill on top of that to help the problem just seems like not the way to go. We have a non invasive treatment that is available if it's something you're looking to deal with.
Absolutely. Andrew Reinhardt, he's joining us now with Boost Medical Clinic, here to fix what's ailing you, not with a pill, though. It actually is fixing the problem in the first place. It's great having you, my friend. How are you?
Yes, I am doing great, and thanks for having me. If there's anybody out there struggling with erectile dysfunction, you have got to listen to this because that's exactly right. The pill, not always the best choice. In almost all men, when we're talking about erectile dysfunction, it causes headaches, blurred vision, stuffy nose, and so many other things. Now, Boost Medical Clinic uses the most advanced form of something called acoustic wave therapy. It is clinically shown to open up and regrow blood vessels. We're talking about blood flow here when we're talking about erectile dysfunction. This treats the root cause of the problem. We have helped thousands of couples get back to normal intimacy in the bedroom, spontaneity, without any pills, without any injections, and without any surgery.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, Sean. And what makes it different, than as far as results, what makes it different than other ways to go about, dealing with this problem?
Well, a man taking the pills can tell you all about, that increase or that rush of blood flow, but it's throughout the whole body. It's not
Yeah.
just in this targeted approach. So you end up with those bloodshot eyes, that hangover feeling the
Oof.
next day, not to mention the lack of spontaneity. This is a big deal, by the way. Men trying to pre plan those intimate moments with the pill. Okay, I got to take it 2 hours in advance. Excuse me while I go get a glass of water, or let me skip a meal. And then the results are really not all that good. So we're talking about restoring blood flow where you want it, when you want it. As far as I know, the technology that Boost Medical Clinic uses is the only thing that can restore normal function in the bedroom and eliminate the erectile dysfunction in the proper way.
I was trying to find the
Mhm.
simile or the metaphor that compare this to the. Imagine you turn on the volume for a song, you turn it up really loud, but
Yeah.
then you can't turn down the volume for 4 hours, and all the songs after that's like I don't want to hear these songs. This is the same thing with this. It's on demand when you want it. Obviously, that's the way it was intended to work. And this is not something that just ails men in their older ages. This, frankly, it affects men of all ages, doesn't it?
Absolutely. We have men in our clinic struggling with ED in their 20s, 30s, and 40s. And let me speak to that a little bit. If you're out there listening or watching and you feel like you're a little bit younger than maybe somebody that should have this problem, or you're healthier, or your erectile dysfunction is mild, the clinical studies suggest that you are the best candidate to get back to 100%. So
Mhm.
our technology will work
Mm.
even faster than it does on most people. That is the best time to get your erectile dysfunction corrected, when you've got some function left in the bedroom and you're not at 0%.
Mhm.
And speaking of timing, since you brought it up, when you get a treatment, how long does it last?
Well, the treatment itself will be about 10 minutes, so it's pretty easy. You might do a few of them over maybe 2 or 3 weeks, and the
Mhm.
results, they last a long time. There are clinical studies saying many years. So you typically don't have to redo the treatments. And unlike the pill, which is a lifetime,
Yeah.
this has an end date. 2 to 3 weeks, we can get your relationship back on track.
I love that. It's just
Mhm.
a few minutes of your time to be able to get back a lot of your life, which is great. And yeah, you're not on the hook for having to go in there every single week or refill a prescription, which is fantastic. You have a special offer right now for those people that are like, you know what, enough's enough. I want to do something about this. Let's talk about it.
Yes, if you don't take action, erectile dysfunction gets worse. I hate to say it. I've never seen it cure itself on its own. Call Boost Medical Clinic right now if you want to put a stop to your ED. We're going to give away a lot for free. The assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound with our doctor will be totally free to those that call now, plus a little special gift just for making the trip. It produces instant results in the bedroom. I don't think I've ever seen it fail. This is about a $500 value. It's totally free to those that call now.
Very
$500.
intrigued with the special
Wow.
gift. Yeah.
I'm stuck.
Andrew,
What? is
someday
is it
we'll find out what it
$500?
is.
That would make me really actually. You have to call and find out. Andrew, it's great having you, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Well, you call Boost Medical Clinic, boostmedicalclinic.com if you want to learn more, or 710-5000. Boost Medical Clinic, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend. Take advantage of that special offer.